Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Every week on a Sunday night, I'm doing a giveaway. How do you qualify? Well, you have to watch the videos during the week, and one of the videos I'll announce what you need to do or which wallet address you need to leave in the comments to qualify for the giveaway. And this week's video was live crypto spot trading, Liberian crypto, Tuesday looking bad, the short update. In the video, I mentioned what you needed to do, and we got a lot of comments. 128 comments, regular comments, and a lot of people leaving their Litecoin wallet addresses. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this video towards the random picker, the random YouTube picker. We'll paste in the video, and we'll filter duplicate users, making sure everyone has just put in one entry. We'll do the math, and we'll get the YouTube comments. Let's see how many comments we had. We had 112 unique comments. Now we're going to start the pick. If there's no wallet address, you unfortunately don't qualify. If you have a wallet address in and it's not a Litecoin wallet address, we'll just pick again until we get one with the correct wallet address. Let's start the random pick, and good luck. Who's gonna be this week's winner of half a Litecoin? The random picker is going through it, and we got a winner, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑. And he left a wallet address. So let's hope it is a Litecoin wallet address. The main thing is it has to be the correct wallet address. We've copied the wallet address. We'll go over, we're sending him 0.5 worth of Litecoin. Putting in his wallet address, GNTB at the end, GNTB at the end. We'll put in our authenticator code, which changes every 30 seconds. Get the code. Will it be a success? Just waiting. Unfortunately, last week we had someone who put in the wrong wallet address and we had to draw again. There we go. Transaction successful. Congratulations, 𝙏𝙗𝙖𝙑. And I do apologize if I pronounce your name wrong. But make sure to watch this week's videos, because in one of them, I'll do another announcement. Which wallet address you need to leave to qualify for next week's draw. And make sure to subscribe to Extreme Crypto, because we're going to do our best to do a random weekly giveaway every single week. Have a great one. Enjoy the crypto gains. Take care.